Everyone. Have you ever wondered what Python is and why so many developers, data scientists, and even kids love using it? Well, today I'm here to introduce you to Python, a programming language that is powerful yet easy to learn. Python is a beginner friendly programming language. It's versatile, meaning it's used for everything from web development to artificial intelligence. The best part? Its syntax is so simple and reads almost like plain English, which makes it perfect for absolute beginners. See how much simpler Python is? With just one line of code, we can make the computer say hello world. Python can do a lot. You can use it to build websites, analyze data, power artificial intelligence, or automate boring tasks. So, whether you want to become a developer or just solve daily problems, Python is the perfect starting point. Now, let's write some Python together. Don't worry if this is your first time, it's going to be fun. The print command prints whatever is inside the quotes. In this example, we're storing information in variables and then using them in a sentence. And with the last example, with just 3 lines, you can do math. Hence, if you're excited to try Python, you don't even need to install anything. Just visit an online Python editor like Google Colab and start coding right away. In this video, we scratch the surface of Python. In future videos, we'll explore projects, tips, and real-life applications. So if you're ready to dive into Python with me, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's learn together.